welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create an energetic shake transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Create an adjustment layer by clicking New Item in the Project panel and selecting Adjustment Layer, drag it above the cut between your clips. Go to the Effects panel, search Transform and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Set the timeline for where you want the shake transition effect to start. In Effect Controls, under Transform, set keyframes by clicking the stopwatch icon next to Scale and setting it from 100% to 110%. Next, click the stopwatch icon next to the position and start moving it slightly, avoiding the black color at the end of the screen. Move the timeline 1 or 2 keyframes at a time and keep changing the position until the transition happens. Keep making position changes until it's 5 to 10 frames over to the next clip. After the shake effect stops, remember to change the scale from 110% to 100% on the same keyframes as the last position change. Lastly, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 180 for natural motion blur. Play the timeline to preview your shake transition. Adjust the keyframes or effect settings if needed. And that's it. A quick shake transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.